Here's how to fix Steam Client WebHelper high memory usage. Open Steam, click Steam in the top left, and go to Settings, then Interface. Find Enable GPU Accelerated Rendering in Web Views and turn it off. Also disable hardware video decoding if visible. Restart Steam for the changes to apply. This alone often significantly reduces WebHelper memory usage. Go back to Settings, then Library. Enable Low Performance Mode to reduce animations and visual effects, and also enable Low Bandwidth Mode to stop Steam loading extra community content in the background. These help especially when your library is large. Open your Friends list, click the gear icon, and go to Friends and Chat. Disable animated avatars and animated avatar frames. This stops Steam from rendering motion-heavy visuals that cause extra RAM and CPU usage. As a final option, click View at the top, then select Small Mode. This switches Steam to a lightweight, minimal interface, dramatically reducing how much the browser engine needs to do and dropping memory usage significantly. Ideal when you mainly want to launch games. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.